What's up my YT homies, it's your girl Alethea with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing another wig install. Okay, can y'all let me be great? I'm doing my first wig install. So if you want to see me install this wig, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so like I said, I'm coming at you guys with a wig install. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a lace front wig. I ordered this wig off of samsbeauty.com. I saw this wig. I've been wanting to try wigs, put some wigs on my locks to see how things work out. And I saw this wig and I thought it was so cute. This is what the package looks like. And I watched some videos, and the video that I'm going to try to mimic today, I guess, I'm gonna link her in the description box. So anyway, let's go ahead and get my hair prepped for this wig cap and all that kind of good jazz. And yeah, so I don't know what this is gonna be like. So I wanted to just be able to put the wig on, take the wig off, but Pumpkin said I needed to have some things. I needed to put some got to be glued on there and all that, cause y'all want, I wasn't about to put that what that stuff is. I wasn't about to put that, the glue that people put on. I wasn't about to put that glue on my head. The devil is a lie. Cause see, actually, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this on. I mean, I may just put it on long enough for Patrice to think I'm somebody else and then turn around and take it off. I mean, I don't know. Like, I'm gonna see how this got to be glued. I'm gonna put these two braids in my hair, see how this got to be glued, holds this in my head, and see what's up, what's crack-a-lackin'. Now, in the past, I've worn a wig a couple of times, and it usually, ooh, that felt tight. I haven't had a hair braided in so long. It's like, ooh. And usually I don't keep them on that long because I feel like my head is being smothered. I feel like my head is being held hostage or something. I don't know. And it usually just does not work out for me. But I'm growing up, y'all. I'm growing up. I don't care what y'all say. I'm growing up. And I'm gonna see what's what, you know. So the first thing I have is this wig cap. It says Deluxe Professional Use Closed Top, and this is in the color brown. Pumpkin picked this out. She told me to get this. She has on a wig right now that her friends put on her head and all that kind of good jazz. So this is what she told me to get. And I have some got to be glued blasting freeze spray. Y'all know what I've been seeing? Like, I watched a video and I was, you know, I'm like anybody else, and I went and looked in the comments, and this girl said something about glueless, doing the glueless, and somebody told her that it was, oh Jesus, I hope I don't have no hump back there. But somebody told her it wasn't glueless because she used got to be glued. But is that glue? Anyway, so let me put this on my head. I should have took something and pinned pinned my braids down, right? Oh, Jesus. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Am I gonna have a hump in this thing? Ooh, 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 Jesus. Okay, so I thought I was gonna do like that lady did and put it down over my, okay. That don't even look right. I look like a hot mess. Okay. So on the video, she took it and she put it down over her ears, and then, okay, she put this on here. She put this, oh, I bought this too from the store. I bought this, and then I bought, let me show y'all what else I got. I got this brush, and I got these. I got all the stuff. I got the essentials. All right. How do you do? Oh, you just spray it out. Okay. So I'm supposed to. Wait, no. Oh Jesus. Okay, in the video, and I'm gonna link. Oh Jesus. Oh, that's cold. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Okay, and I have my dryer. Okay. Girl, do that even feel like it's sticking? I might need some more. Let me put a little bit more. Wait. Where's it at? Where's it at? Hold up. I've seen somebody do this right here too. Wait a minute. Hold up. Let me do it. All right, that's getting on my nerves. It's enough. That's enough. That heat getting on my nerves. All right, so where my scissors at? Okay, so my sister, because I do her hair, she bought these shears for me to use on her head, but I'm gonna use them. So then the lady went and she took this right here. Oh shoot, is it gone? And she cut. Oh Jesus, please don't stab your ear, girl. Okay, and then she went around her ear like this. Oh Jesus, is this what I'm supposed to do? Oh, wait, it's coming up. Oh, is this supposed to do that? Oh Jesus, am I gonna lose the cap off the back? Okay, and then I'm supposed to go like this. Lord, please don't cut them hairs, the baby hair. I already done waxed off most of my dang on hair. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. Cause I don't need no wig that's gonna take away my forehead. You know how people be putting the wigs on and they don't have no forehead left. Oh gosh, it's sticking. Wait. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, wait, okay. Olivia, don't cut your hair. Don't cut. Y'all don't. I know what I'm doing. Y'all don't tell me I don't know what I'm doing. Look at that. Let me put this. Let me do this. Was I supposed to do that? I don't know. All right, so let's take this bad baby out the bag. So when I watch videos of people doing what you call that, wig reviews, they do this. They cut it. They cut this off. And then they show the stock card. So let me show y'all the card. Let me be professional. It's the stock card. And she is called, I said it, Lace Unit 8. And I got the color Money Piece Blonde. Y'all don't know Nan. You don't know Nan. I got the Money Piece Blonde. Don't even hate. Can I get it out the box? So I gotta talk like people that do these all the time. I gotta be professional. So she is a lace unit, and this is what she looks like. And she has a I guess she a closer. She don't have she don't have the lace all the way over there. Okay, and then she has let's see, 1, 2. She got 2 combs right here. Here's a comb right here, a comb right here, and then a comb right here. And then she has the belts, the straps, whatever you call it, the you know, the hook thing right there. You take it and you push it to the next one to make it fit your head. I know that because my mama wear wigs. So I'm gonna cut this off of here. And y'all, let me tell y'all, just like this. I'm gonna tell y'all just like this. I'm not plucking. I see people plucking. I'm not plucking anything because I just vacuumed the floor today, and I don't usually vacuum. Patrice usually vacuums for me, but I vacuumed today because I was trying to be grown, trying to do my own stuff. But so I'm not plucking anything. Get the hair on this floor. No, sir, no, ma'am. All right. So I see people take and they go ahead and they put it on their head. Right. Do I got a big head? I don't know. Let me take this out of this. Oh, Jesus, I need my child in here to help me. Pumpkin! Okay. All right, so then I got to put it on. Because I got to put it on before I cut the lace. That's what I see them do. You put it on. Whew, Jesus. Okay. And then I got to take it and bring it down. Oh Jesus, this is not, what you call it? I must got a big head. Jesus. No, it's not that. I don't think I have a big head. I think my braid in the back. Oh my word, girl. Girl, I'm feeling myself. Okay, wait. Okay, so now what I gotta do? Cause I think this thing. Oh wait. I didn't tell y'all she got baby hair. Okay. So I pull it down right there. She got baby hair. This unit has baby hair. Oh hell no, y'all like it? Ooh. Can I go somewhere with this on? Ooh. Okay. Let me see. How do I do this? I don't know. I'm not gonna put this on to try to cut this lace because I'm not a professional. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to cut this lace while it's in my hand. Oh Jesus. Do I cut too? I don't want to cut too much. Okay, so what I did, I put this in this little thing, this little hook right here. And I'm gonna see how it does this time. She got these baby hairs. Y'all know I'm gonna have to borrow these baby hairs because I cut all my hair off, so I got to borrow. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to take my, what's that thing called? Foundation. I need to take and put some powder on this lace stuff. So I'm gonna put some powder on now. So I'm gonna take, where my brush at that I just did my face with, and I'm gonna put some powder on it. Don't even be hating because I'm doing this wig. Don't even. Oh shoot, wait, don't hate. So now I'm supposed to take it and put it like that. Just brush it on now. I'm just gonna brush it on now. See, I just brushed it on now. That's what I did, like they told me to do. Like, well, nobody didn't tell me to do that, but I saw people do that on the video. So now I'm just gonna cut this lace. I'm gonna cut this lace. I'm not gonna cut this lace on my head because y'all, one thing y'all don't know about me, I'm clumsy, and I'll be done cut all my edges off trying to cut this lace on my head. But do I leave some on there? I don't know. I called Punky. She might be asleep. She ain't coming to help me, so oh well, I'm just gonna cut it. That's all I can do. Like I said, I'm gonna borrow. I'm gonna use the baby hair that's on this wig because you know, y'all know I pushed some of my, I waxed my baby hair, so it's not as long as it was. Had I not waxed it, I wouldn't have to borrow any from this wig. I could cut that off, but I waxed it, so I got to. Okay, so now let's do this one more time. I'm gonna have to do like they do too, and I'm gonna get my concealer and I'm gonna put the concealer in there too. I saw this on somebody's channel. I should have left it where it was because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. That's too. This showing right here. This ain't supposed to show. Why is that showing? That's bothering me. Okay. Okay. That's better. But it still feel like it's sliding. Should I put them combs in there to make it stay? I don't know. I need to, you know what? I should have did better with my braids. That's what I should have did. Okay, so this is supposed to come down. I'm gonna take this concealer right here. This Pat McGrath concealer that I just got. And I'm gonna put this in there. Okay. I need something to put it on with. Okay, I'm gonna use this right here that I do my eyebrows with. And then I'm gonna take it in. Is that right? All right. Y'all better tell me I'm not a professional. All right, let me see. I saw somebody do this one day too. I don't know who it was, but I saw somebody do this. That's what you do. That's what you do when you put too much concealer. Now, music makes me, okay, so I have this Olive Miracle Edge Control. This is what I use anyway all the time. All right, so I need the baby hairs. I need to take, where the baby hairs at? So they got some on this side, but not on this side. What the ones at for this side? So you're supposed to take, wait a minute, this right here, And you go like this. Okay. And you go like this. And then I'm gonna take this edge control. I'm gonna lay down these baby hairs. They're kind of long, but oh well. We ain't gonna even worry about that. You come back down, okay. These look like some damn some spider legs or something. Why are they so long? It's supposed to take that. I don't have any of that stuff they use. You know that stuff they use, that stick stuff that they use, that they lay the hair down with. They look like a deodorant stick that they put on the hair. Wait. Let me change shirts. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I spent all that time trying to make some baby hairs, and you can't even see my baby hairs with this wig. So y'all, I want to play with wigs. I want to find some wigs that I may wear out somewhere. This wig right here, will I wear this out? I don't know if I'll wear this wig out. I probably will take this wig, and my mom wants a wig with a bang. This one doesn't have a bang, but I'll probably take this wig and just cut it and give it to her because she normally doesn't wear wigs this long. But I don't know if I see me wearing this wig anywhere. This wig is super duper long. As you can see here from the front, it is long, and from the back, there's a lot of flyaways on this wig. A lot. It's just, and that will get on my nerves with the flyaways. Also, this right here is bothering me, but I just need, like I said, some of that stuff that people use. And another thing I don't like about this wig is this little color right here. Kind of reminds me of a skunk. I don't know. I know this is the thing that a lot of people were doing with the wigs, but I don't care for that. But as far as the way it looks, I think it does look cute on me. I like the color on me. I'm pleased with the color that I chose. So I do like that. So if you liked this wig install / review, whatever you want to call it, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and make sure you share this video across all your social media sites. And so now I'm about to go and mess with Patrice and Pumpkin and make them mad at me, or make them tell me to get out their face, because I'm gonna go in there slinging my hair because I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey. So until the next time, in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.